welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a Kroger updated deals video here for you. Now, today is actually Monday, February 7th, and this mega sale should be ending tomorrow, the 8th. But guess what, guys? We're getting a whole nother week. I'm assuming it's a 3-week sale. Who knows? Maybe it's a 4-week sale. Maybe Kroger is doing something completely different this year and having 4-week sales instead of 2-week sales. So a lot of these deals and sales are going to be going on into the next week. Now, this could be because of the Super Bowl and because of Valentine's Day, and they just didn't want to mess with a whole new sale. Not really sure why they're doing 3 weeks, but either way, we're going to have a bunch of these deals that are going to go on into the next week. So no worries that we are stopping on the 8th. It is going to continue to go on. So before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And let's check out what's happening at Kroger. So an update here, we have L'Oreal Paris LV shampoo and conditioner. They're regularly priced $3.99 on sale this week for $3.49, but part of the mega sale. So you can grab these for $2.49 when you buy 5 or more participating items. You'll save $1 per item each. And remember, the way that mega sales work is you do not have to buy 5 of the same item. You just have to buy 5 participating items so you can mix and match to get this great deal. There are new coupons, 4 off 2. There is a printable. I will have it linked in the description box below. If you are going to print your coupons, please do me a favor and print from my links. I'm an affiliate of coupons.com. Helps me out a ton. Doesn't cost you anything extra. It's going to take you straight to the coupons.com page and let you print from there, but I will get a little help so I can keep doing these videos. So definitely print there. I would go ahead and print them anyway, even if you have the digital and the Save 2.6, because these printables are hot and they will disappear here probably in the next week because everyone's going to be printing them. So I would go ahead and print them now. 4 off 2 printable, 4 off 2 in Save 2.6, or there is a 4 off 2 digital. Final cost is just 49 cents. This is a stock up price for this shampoo. It's a great price. Really great price and stock up price here for the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner, regularly priced $3.19 on mega sale for $2.19, and we have a 4 off 2 coupon in Save 2.6. There is $1 off 1 digital coupon and a $1 off 1 printable coupon. Obviously, Save 2.6 is the way you want to go because you can grab these for just 19 cents. If for some reason you don't have that insert, you can still get a pretty good deal with $1.19. I would go ahead and do the printable anyway, print the coupons, have them ready to go. You're going to see deals pop up throughout the next couple of weeks, at other stores, CVS, Walgreens, things like that you're going to want those printables. So again, I would be printing the coupons I have today just because if you are a hardcore couponer, you're going to see deals pop up later, and these printable coupons will last for quite a while. All right, so this is probably the best deal of the day. The Silk Greek Yogurt Singles. These are regularly priced $1.99. They're part of the mega sale, so they're just 99 cents. But then we have a 50 cent off 1 printable coupon. Now, the only way you could do this is printing it. I do have it linked in the description box below. 49 cents each. Amazing deal on this Greek yogurt. It looks really good. I'm definitely going to have to check out the carb count on it, but this is one of the best deals we have today. So make sure you print those coupons so you can grab these for just 49 cents. All right, Hidden Valley Ranch Dressing 24-ounce bottles are regularly priced $4.49. They are on sale for $4.29, but part of the mega sale, so you can grab these for $3.29. We have a $1 off 1 digital coupon, so load that coupon and you're going to grab this for $2.29. There's also $1 off 2 printable coupon. I'll have it linked in the description box below. Obviously, not as good of a deal as the $1 off 1 digital, but if you like to stock up on your ranch, definitely use both. You could grab 3 of them and use 1 digital and 1 printable, and you can grab 3 of them. So still a great deal. Okay, guys, I have some more Kroger deals. These are not mega sale deals I wanted to show you. In fact, one of them we're going to use that same digital coupon for Hidden Valley Ranch. It's just a different product for Hidden Valley. But there's lots of really great deals that do not fall in the mega sale that I want to make sure you grab. So Hidden Valley Ranch dressing and seasoning. These are those seasoning packs. Now they're regularly priced $1.99, no sale price, but that $1 off 1 digital coupon does attach to this product. So you can grab these for just 99 cents or use the $1 off 2 printable coupon and grab these for $1.49. Either way, really, really great deal on these seasonings. You can also just go ahead and load the digital and save this and see if we get a better sale on the seasoning packets. The digital doesn't expire until March 10th. The $1 off 2 printable coupon should last for a while too. So, however you want to do this, if you want to sit on this and see if we have a sale, you can, but it's still a good deal. 99 cents for one of these is a great deal. Next, we have the Right Guard deodorant, regularly priced $2.19. It's on sale for $1.50 each. We have a $1 off 1 digital coupon, or there's a $1 off 1 in Save to 6. That's going to make these deodorants just 50 cents each. Man, guys, this is an awesome deal. So it's kind of funny. My son's school is having a personal care drive, and so I was already going, I'm going to grab some of these and donate them to the personal care drive that's going on at the middle school. I love the fact that I can coupon and get a whole bunch of items that are needed, desperately needed for people, and I can donate. So that's the best part about couponing. So if you are not in need of this Right Guard deodorant, this would be a great donation item. Next, Justin's Organic Peanut Butter Cups, regularly priced $1.69, on sale for $1.50 this week. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon, so you can grab 2 of these for just $1 each. And again, Valentine's Day is coming up, guys. It is on Monday next week, and so maybe you've got someone that likes candy, but it's a little bit on the healthier side. This would be a great thing to throw in for them to give them that sweet treat, but without having to go like the Reese's route or something like that. Even though Reese's are absolutely amazing, this would be a little bit on the more healthy side of things. All right, guys, one thing I wanted to tell you about, I didn't do any kind of like matchups for you, so let me know if you're interested in possibly seeing a matchup and what products in particular. But all eye or lip cosmetics, and then it says select varieties. So the 1 counts are buy 2, get 1 free. We have tons of coupons available for these products. So there's a CoverGirl eye 2 off 1 printable, there's a L'Oreal eye 2 off 1 printable, and a Maybelline 2 off 1 eye printable. I have them all linked in the description box below for you. Of course, there's digital coupons that go with these, and there's also insert coupons. So lots of different ways that you can put deals together. If you've done this deal and you have a scenario, please put it in the comments below. I would love to see what you put. And if we have enough interest, maybe I can head to the store and put together a couple of different scenarios, just because I'm not positive which varieties are actually participating, even though it says all of them. It really is frustrating. Just be specific. Is it all or select? Let me know. So anyway, let me know in the comments if you've already done this deal and if you have a scenario. All right, guys, really, really great deal on some KY products. Okay, so these vary in regular price, but they all seem to be on sale for $6.99. I threw up just 3 of the products there. The very first one's normally priced $18.99, the next one's $12.79, and the last one's $25.99. All of them on sale for $6.99. That's some crazy savings without any coupons right there. And then we also, on top of it, have a 3 off 1 printable coupon. I'll have it linked in the description box below. Again, please, please, please print for my coupons, the links down there. That helps me out a ton. So you can grab all of these for as low as $3.99 each. A product that was almost $26 is now going to be like $4, which is awesome. So yeah, really great deals happening with KY products. Next deal we have here is the Theraflu. These are regularly priced $7.99. We have a sale of $6.99 each, and we have 2 off 1 coupons, either in Save to 6 or there is the printable coupon. I will have linked in the description box below. Final cost is going to be $4.99 for this product. And you know what, guys? Even if you are not needing this right now, maybe you feel just healthy and fine, sometimes it's a good idea to grab these products when you are not sick. So when you do get sick, you don't have to try to run out all snotty-nosed and pick this stuff up and pay full price. You can have these on that discount, and you're ready to go when you do get sick and you don't have to go anywhere. So that is my recommendation for you. If you know you like this product or you use this product, go ahead and grab it when it's on sale and we have a coupon. All right, another deal we have here is the Clean and Clear products. Now, this 2-off-1 coupon goes on any of the Clean and Clear products, and they do vary in price. The cheapest one I could find was this facial cleanser here for $4.99 at Kroger. There's a couple of other products that are $4.99 as well. There's a 2-off-1 digital coupon or a 2-off-1 printable coupon that's linked in the description box below. So your final cost is just $2.99 each, which is not a terrible deal. I know if you are a Walgreens or CVS shop or something like that, you probably can get some of these deals a little bit better when you're putting them together with promotions and all that good stuff. But still, if you are just needing this product, it's not a bad deal. I would also suspect that Walmart's price on these regularly are going to be cheaper. So since we don't have a sale going on at Kroger, you might be able to find better deals elsewhere. But I wanted to let you know we do have these digital and printable coupons available. And like the digital doesn't even expire till March 5th. So you can load it and just wait and see if we get a sale price in the next couple of weeks. Next, we have the Jergens Moisturizer Cream. It's 21 ounces, and there's a whole bunch of different kinds you can look at that are regularly priced $6.99 but on sale for $5.99. There's a $1.50 off one digital coupon as well as printable coupons available. I have it linked in the description box below. Final cost is $4.49 each. If you like Jergens, this is a pretty decent price. Okay guys, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Thank you so much for supporting my channel like always. I always appreciate everybody out there. Leave me a comment, let me know where you're from. If you're not following me on social media, I have them all linked in the description box below. And of course, all my rebate apps and referral codes and all those good things, check those out. Have a wonderful week and I'll see you later. Bye guys.